Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? Welcome back to our in-depth analysis of Nvidia. We initially shared our report on our website on Tuesday, January 16, 2024, and today we're diving even deeper into the details. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.34. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.84% since we first recommended Nvidia as a buy candidate, just 7 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 2.12% since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating even stronger growth ahead. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $563.50, which could present an opportunity for further gains. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $638.46, which may not be easily surpassed in the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential for a 21.04% change in the coming months, with a possible return between 4.88% and 20.97%. The 12-month trend suggests a significant 114.4% change in the next year, with a potential return between 80.34% and 134.16%. This translates to a price range of $1,016.78 to $1,320.26 after a year. Our latest update for Nvidia brings exciting news. The stock has been upgraded from a buy candidate to a strong buy candidate after Tuesday's trading session. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 16, 2024, the Nvidia stock price saw a significant gain of 3.06%. It climbed from $547.10 to $563.82. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a 3.52% fluctuation, reaching a low of $549.02 and a high of $568.35. This positive momentum has been consistent, with the price rising in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall increase of 13.85% in the past 2 weeks. Additionally, there was an increase in volume, with 9 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, approximately $24.86 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 44 million shares exchanged. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we see that the stock's highest price reached $568.35, while the lowest price was $167.31. Currently, the stock is trading at 0.8% below its 52-week high, at $4.53 lower, standing at $563.82. It is important to note that this price also represents an all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 16, 2024, KeyBank gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 11, 2023, Cowen and Company gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously rated Nvidia stock as a strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as exceptional, labeling them both as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a more cautious, neutral rating. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Nvidia stock. We can see mostly positive signals in the chart. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy for Nvidia, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, we have $535.36 and $491.04. If the stock experiences a correction and falls below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 18.53%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 9 days ago. The Bollinger indicator gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 48 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 40 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's take a closer look at the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Nvidia. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple to keep in mind for Nvidia. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $531.40 and $487.16. Support levels are crucial because if they are broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. So, it's important to monitor these levels closely. In this case, if the stock breaks the current support at $531.40, the next support levels to watch for are $487.16 and $439.38. Now, let's talk about the risk involved in trading Nvidia. This stock has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which puts its risk level in the medium range. To put it into perspective, in the last day, the stock had a price range of $19.33, which is equivalent to a 3.52% movement. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.04%. Let's start by exploring the important fundamental data before discussing potential trading levels for Nvidia. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant future growth. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Nvidia. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that under favorable conditions, the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly. If you decide to enter a position, it would be wise to monitor the volume carefully to determine the most suitable time to exit. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $531.40. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. Analysts from various sources have given Nvidia a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involves Stevens Mark A., who bought and sold a total of 54,148 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated a negative insider power ratio of -32.874. In total, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 883,109 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is $544.88, indicating a decrease of 3.36%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 82, which significantly increases the overall risk. It's important to note that we've observed a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 8 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Nvidia shows several positive signals and has recently broken a strong rising trend. With the stock also in great technical shape, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. When considering the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 17th, we project Nvidia to open down by $3.42 and start trading at $560.40. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be solely relied upon for your investment choices. By utilizing the provided information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being a part of our community.